What do you think Jesus told them to do? To rely only on Him, not on anything. The first reading is also telling us that they did not rely on Him. I'm continuing with what I said yesterday. And so when they did not rely on Him, God did not punish them. It is their going away from God that did them in. They lost everything. They were slaves again. But God did not leave them there. Now not through their people, but foreigners. Their own country people, in the sense they were Ishmael's race and Isaac's is this one. So they reached out and they said, see that everything is done for them. And Ezra says, Lord, it's such a shame, but you are so merciful. You're so kind. You take care of your people, even though we are unfaithful to you. And here Jesus is telling us, when I am calling you, don't rely on anyone, rely on me. And He gives them power and authority over demons. My dear sisters and brothers, demons are dangerous. We know how when we meet people who are very quite difficult to get along with, how they can twist and things like that. You get frightened of these people. You don't want to meddle with them. You keep away from them. So Jesus gives authority over such and everyone. So therefore, these people, when they went with courage. They were going to get opposition. The Jews were not going to accept them. But He gave them other things to do. He gave them the ability to heal. They were able to heal. They were able to touch the people, not with their words, but the words that Jesus spoke through them. And that is always what touches people. Not what we say, but what we allow Him to say through us. And that's why there was such a lot of conversions that came to the Lord, that they were brought to the Lord. They were not brought to them, they were brought to the Lord. And that is what it should always be. Like St. John the Baptist, he must increase, I must decrease. I am only the bridegroom of the Lord. He is the bride. He is the bridegroom. So I am only the person who is accompanying the bridegroom. So that's how it is, So let us, my dear sisters and brothers, keep always ourselves firm on Jesus. And every day we see that, relying only on Him so that He will work in us. And all of us are called. There's none of us here who is not called to work that He will do through us, because we are part of His body. Let us spend a few moments, join our hands like this, close our eyes, and just be present to Jesus. And that is the most important thing for us, that our life is in Jesus and that Jesus is in us, and He has a particular mission, a particular work to be done through us, each one of us uniquely. Lord, touch us and set us free from any attachments to anything, even to ourselves, so that we are internally free for You to live, love and work through our thoughts, words and deeds.